Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to discuss the Crypto.com project and the Cronos blockchain and the way you can stake your CRO token for passive income. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much. All right, let's get right into it. So there's their website, Crypto.com. You've probably seen them advertise in various sporting events, but here we go. They're currently ranked 35th in total market cap at just under $2 billion. This is their token price. If we go down here to see what their all-time token price high was, and it looks like it was 90 cents back in November. Wow, they had a good run. You can purchase the CRO token pretty much anywhere. Go back here. Let's do a quick overview. I'm going to jump back and forth a little bit because the information is a little bit out of order. So what is the Cronos chain? It is an Ethereum compatible blockchain, and it was recently launched in parallel to run with the Crypto.org blockchain. This is comparable to the Binance chain and the Binance Smart Chain. If you're familiar with that, there's two different chains here. The Cronos chain mainnet beta went live in November of 2021. And I believe it looks like on January 18, 2023, they got out of beta and went to the mainnet, which has been completed. So the Cronos chain utilizes the Cosmos consensus mechanism, the proof of authority, and it was built using the Cosmos SDK software development kit. And it's also compatible with Ethereum virtual machine, which means that the thousands of dApps built on Ethereum could be ported over to the Cronos chain. I think this is super important. And they also leverage the inter-blockchain communication protocol, which we've spoken about on previous videos in the Cosmos ecosystem, which allows it to bridge to the Cosmos dApps as well. So if I scroll back up here, who are the co-founders of Cronos? Well, it looks like there are 4 people that started this back on June of 2016 as Monaco Technologies, and you can read a little bit more about their bios here. So what makes Cronos unique? Well, it looks like their main focus is to provide utility to the Crypto.com users, and that includes payment, trading, and financial services solutions. And CRO owners or token holders can stake their coins, which we'll get into, and earn rewards. So if I scroll down here just to take a quick look at what this recent update was all about, it looks like in total before the mainnet launch here and early this year, they had done 65 million transactions in their beta for more than 1 million users. And some of these improvements include the transaction scalability. Looks like some more upgrades or improvements for the nodes and some more features geared towards the interoperability between Ethereum and Cosmos. All right, so how do we stake our CRO tokens to make passive income? Well, let's get into that. Well, first you're going to need a wallet. So if I come over here, there's the wallet address. So you can take note of that. You can download it for the different mobile platforms. But from my research, I could only find one way you could stake your CRO tokens. And if I scroll down, continue to scroll, it's not going to be in the wallet extension here. You're going to have to download the DeFi desktop wallet and make sure you back up your seed phrase and password securely. So if I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to pop it up here. It looks like I have a balance of $7. So I'm going to go over here to crypto.org/explore/validators. And the crypto.com and the crypto.org, they're two different blockchains. I'm going to get into that. So you might have some CRO tokens in your MetaMask. You're going to send them over to your Crypto.com desktop wallet or that from an exchange, they'll most likely come under the Cronos chain. And I'm going to show you a way you can get those over to the crypto.org chain so that you're able to stake. So minimize that. So I need to choose a validator. Now, this is something that is common in the industry. And like it says here, to further enhance the decentralization and stability of the network, kindly consider delegating to validators below here. So no no's to these guys. They already have enough. And I'm going to go into validators and the requirements to become a validator from a high level. So if I scroll down, there's a total of 100 validators. So you might want to do some research. The lower ones here, it looks like the rewards are around 11%. So if I click on the Abyss, it looks like minimum self-delegation is only 1. Some of these have more. And it looks like they have a website, so you can do some more research. If I scroll and look at maybe one more, we'll go to Electron. And it looks like minimum self-delegation is a lot. So it looks like they want to prevent anybody from delegating their tokens to these guys for some reason. Not sure why. Maybe click on this one. And it looks like we have one self-delegation. Looks like I have a decent amount of CRO tokens. So what you want is this address right here, okay? You need the operator address. You want to copy that, and you want to come back to your wallet. And like I said, your CRO tokens are most likely on this chain. There are options on the exchanges to transfer over to different chains, and you can choose this by going in here and click receive, and you can receive your tokens directly to the crypto.org chain. But mine were on the Cronos chain, and you're not able to stake them while you're on the Cronos chain. So you got to come over here to Cronos Bridge. And what you're going to do is you're going to have to go to Cronos chain. I've already transferred mine over, but you're going to have to go from the Cronos chain to the crypto.org chain, and then you'll click under assets, and it'll be CRO. You hit all, and it literally takes a minute to bridge them over. And once you're bridged, you're going to come over here to staking, and you want to delegate your funds. And look, I'm on the crypto.org chain. There's my balance. Come back here, delegate funds. And I want to paste that in. It looks like it's good. And I want to click all, or you can do a little bit. And it might be beneficial to stake or delegate half with one validator, half with another, or a quarter with one. Pick 4. It looks like they're all providing around the same amount of rewards. And it most likely to minimize your risk of losing an entire stake. If a delegator gets slashed, you can not lose those tokens. So here I am, and I'll delegate, and you just hit review, and away you go. And it looks like you'll get updates on how many rewards you're getting. So if you want to do some more research on the different validators beside what's in here, you can come over to this link. And if you scroll down, you can see that by going on their Discord, you might be able to get other explorers that are built by community members where you can find some more information about these different validators and some of the statistics on their performance. All right, so that's how you earn just around 11% staking the CRO token. I'm going to just touch on the validators. So running a validator, there's a top 100 validators. So I did the math. And if we go back to the chain and we scroll all the way down to the 100th, around 5 million. So I took around 6 million CRO tokens at its current price of around 7 cents. And you're looking at just over $400,000. So if you have $400,000 lying around, you might be able to be considered as a validator. And there are different requirements. You can also go over here to this link as well. It tells you some of the hardware requirements. and some additional information. So there's the links. You could do more research if you're interested in becoming a validator within the crypto.org or Cronos blockchain ecosystem. All right, well, I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully you gain the necessary steps to be able to stake your CRO tokens on the crypto.org chain to earn roughly 11% rewards. I will continue making videos on crypto projects that earn us passive income. Until next time, thanks for watching.